We're testing which things work best to keep your fresh flowers fresher longer. So I've heard that sugar bleach works great. So let's try the Red Bull. Just put a splash in there. That's good. And then just put in your flour, mix it up. Pennies. I don't know if it's the copper, but let's put the pennies in and the rose. I need to mark these. And the last one, the pennies. So we've got the bleach, the pennies, and the Red Bull. This is just regular Orville Redenbacher. Let's try that amount. That was about 5 kernels. I want to know what you do to keep your flowers fresher longer. You want to cut the ends off to fit your vase. And make sure you take off the leaves. You don't want leaves in the bottom of the water. You don't want it hanging there. So this one will go into the popcorn. Now let me mark that popcorn. This one, we're just going to do the flower food. You know how you get these packets? I've heard from a florist friend that they do help. I think that this helps neutralize and kill any germs that's in the water. So just kind of mix it up. Let's do 7-Up. It's either the carbonation that people swear by this, but I think it's probably the high fructose corn syrup. Just mix that up. Oh, I almost forgot, 7-Up. Okay, don't blame me. I saw it on the internet, but I hear that alkaline batteries can help create a longer lasting rose. I guess I probably don't need to mix that up. Okay, I don't really need a sign for that one because I see the alkaline battery, but there we have it anyway. Like I said, don't blame me. Let's put the rose in this one. And then I read that denture tablets, the daily cleaner, that they sterilize the water and keep everything fresh. So let's plop that in. I probably didn't need a full tablet, but here we are. Now, everyone has probably commented that this is what they do. So let's see if it really works. Let's take aspirin. I'm just gonna put in one. They're not the coated aspirin, so it should dissolve fast. And then just put the rose in there. Everybody knows that the red rose equals passion, love. The yellow rose is friendship, but I've never known what a purple rose is or a lavender rose. This one I'm gonna put into the water. I'm just gonna mix it up. You know why? Because this is just water. Let's see if good old water keeps them fresher longer. Don't forget to let me know in the comments right now which one of these you think is going to keep these fresher. Is it the popcorn? Is it the Red Bull energy drink? Is it the pennies? We got the pennies in there. Is it the flower food? I don't know. This might be a winner. We've also got the 7-Up. We've got the battery. We've got the aspirin. We've got the denture tablets. And we got the water. And oh yeah. And the Clorox and the sugar. It doesn't have just any household bleach. Okay, let's check back shortly. It's been 7 days. Let's check the roses. Okay, let's check water first, because I know a lot of you said water, and okay, the water does not look so good. I know this is a big urban legend that you put aspirin in the roses and they keep forever. Remember, this has been 7 days. Here we go. Let's check the aspirin. How's it gonna be? Oh, it's okay. It's so-so. Let's try this one. What's this one? This one is 7-Up. I have a feeling 7-Up did good. Let's take a look at the 7-Up. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, no. The 7-Up looks sad. So let's put this here. So if you want, put in the comments which one you think is gonna do the best. Okay, let's try, what is this one? This one is denture tablets. Okay, let's check the denture tablets. This was after, oh, they look sad. Whoa, that looks pretty amazing. That's good. That looks really good. Sugar bleach. Now I heard this from a florist friend that a little sugar and a little bleach works good. So let's see if she was right. Sugar and Clorox. Bump, bump. Oh no, oh no. What's that say? The battery. Okay, so I have a feeling the battery is probably completely dead. So it's just one AAA or AA battery in there. Okay, let's take a look at the Oh, look at that. Look. It's corroded. Holy cow. I'm gonna have to be careful disposing of that. Okay, let's see how the rose did. Whoa, look at that. That's amazing. That is amazing. Okay, it's my dad's popcorn, homegrown popcorn. Let's see how the popcorn did. See the kernels down there? Look at that. Okay, let's do the reveal. Wow, not bad for dad's popcorn. Wow, that looks good. Let's side them. Let's put the bad ones to the left. Put those over here. And let's put the sugar bleach over here too. Okay, now let's put the denture tabs. We've got the battery and the popcorn. Look how good those look. Okay, we've got 3 left. Let's do the Red Bull energy drink. It was regular. It wasn't sugar-free. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's a little sad. It's a little sad. It's not, it's firm. Still smells good. Flower, food, and pennies. So let's check the flower food. That should be the best, right? Because it's food for flowers. Okay, here we go with the flower food. Now that looks amazing. That looks like the day that I got it. Okay, let's narrow it down to these. So battery, flower food, what is this? Popcorn, and denture tabs. Okay, I'm going to say that flower food looks the best. It's got less around the edges. Okay, so it's down to these 2. It's either gonna be flower food or pennies. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. 3, 2. Whoa, that looks pretty good. I would say you either gotta go with flower food or with pennies to keep your roses longer. It's not a scientific study, but hey, it works.